Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek sliding menu animation using just HTML and CSS. This is a great way to add some interactive flair to your website without using any JavaScript. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Let's get started. Create a folder for our project, and inside it, create an index.html file. Then, open the folder with our code editor. In this case, I'm using Visual Studio Code Editor. First, we'll set up our HTML structure. Create a very basic structure, then give a title for our project. Our menu is created using an unordered list inside a nav tag. Each list item has a link for navigation. The items are Home, About, Services, and Contact. This is all we need for the HTML part. Open our project with a live server so we can see the changes in our code instantly on the browser left side. Now create a CSS file to style and link that to our HTML file. Now let's jump into the CSS. The first thing we need to do is reset the default margins and paddings of all elements. We achieve this with the Universal Selector Store, which ensures everything starts from a clean slate. Next, we style the body to center our content both vertically and horizontally. We use Display Flex, Justify Content Center, Align Items Center to perfectly center our menu in the viewport. The background color is set to a sleek dark gray. Now for the menu itself. We use a Flexbox layout for the menu items, giving them equal spacing with gap 20px. For each list item, we position them relative to allow us to animate the sliding effect later on. We also removed the underline, set the text color to white, increased the font size, added vertical padding, and enabled a smooth color transition on hover. Here's where the magic happens. We want the underline to appear with a sliding animation when we hover over a menu item. We use the after pseudo element to create the underline. Initially, it's hidden by setting transform scale x0, and then on hover, it grows to full width with transform scale x1. The smoothness comes from the transition property, which makes it slide in gracefully. And that's it. A a simple yet effective sliding menu animation using only HTML and CSS. This can be easily customized for any website. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more web development tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.